Hi, welcome back students. So today's section I'm going to start a new chapter, that ninth one, that is areas of parallelogram and triangle. So introduction for this chapter. So recall that the part of a plane enclosed by a simple figure is called a plane region corresponding to the figure, right? Then the magnitude or measures of the planar region is called a area. So what is the area? The magnitude or measures of planar region is called a area, right? So we are familiar to the congruent figures. So what is the congruent figures? The two figures are said to be a congruent if they have a same shape and a same size, right? The two figure having same shape and a same size, it means they are the congruent, right? So in this chapter, if the two figures are a congruent, then their area must be equal here. The two figures are congruent means their area must be equal, and this converse is not true. So what is that? If the two figures having a same area, then they not be a congruent. They need not be a congruent. So for example here, so it is a rectangle, right? And here it is a square, right? So these are the congruent. No, because it is a rectangle and it is a square. They have a different shape, right? So it is 4 centimeter side and here 9 centimeter. So it is 6 centimeter and here also 6 centimeter. Shape and size are different, so these two are not a congruent to the each other. Then find out this area. So L into B. So this is equal to 4 into 9 is equal to 36 centimeter square, right? So here area of square is side square or a square. So this is equal to 6 square is equal to 36 centimeter square. See here, the areas are equal here, but these two figures are not congruent to the each other. Is it clear? If the two figures are congruent to the each other, means their area must be equal, but this converse is not true. It means the two figures having same area, but they need not be a congruent. So here is the example. Is it clear? Well, students, the next concept is the figures on a same base and between the same parallel lines, right? So see here, the figures on a same base and between the same parallel lines. The two figures are said to be a same base added between the same parallel if they have a common base. See, this point is important. Common base or a side. They have a two figures have a common base or a side, and the vertex or vertices, and the vertices or the vertex opposite to the common base of each figure lie on a parallel base, lie on a line parallel to the base. Is it clear? So for example here, see here, AB and CD, these two are the parallel line. So in this parallel line, these three figures are lies between in these two parallel lines. So these three figures having a common base CD here, right? So common base, and the vertices the opposite to the common base, common base opposite. So this line opposite to the common base of each figure lies a line parallel to the base. So this line is a parallel to the base. So here the vertices is lies. Is it clear? So this kind of figures is called the same base and between the same parallel line. Is it clear? And see, another figure is there. So in this figure, see here ABC is a one triangle and another triangle B, D, E. Two triangle are there. So these two triangle are lies between these two parallel lines. So opposite sides of a base is a parallel line. Here vertices lies on a same line, right? But they don't have common base. Here the triangle ABC, they have a base BC, right? And in a BDE, they have a base BE, right? Here they don't have a common base. So these are not a same base here, right? So if this D is joined to the C, so now these two figures are said to be common. So these two figures are said to be a same base and between the same parallel line. Is it clear? So well students, so next we will go to the first exercise. So in a first exercise, the first question is, which of the following figure lie on a same base and between the same parallels? In such a case, write the common base and two parallel lines. We want to find out which figure is lies between in a same base and between the two parallel line. If they are in, means we have to write their common base and parallel lines. So first figure here. So first figure. So here two figures are A, B, C, D, right? So it is a trapezium, and another one D, P, C is a triangle. So in these two figures, they have having a common base here, CD. They have a common base, and so parallel to the base, the two figures vertices lies in the same line here, A, P, B, right? They are lies in a same line, right? And these two lines are parallel, means it is a, this figure is a same base and between the same parallels. Is it clear? So write down first one. So first one answer here, the base. So they said here common base, right? The common base and two parallels. So base here CD and parallels. Parallels which one? AB and CD. Is it clear? So AB, CD, these two are the parallel and the base DC is the common here. And the second figure, in a second figure, PQRS is a one figure and another one SMNR. So these two figures have a common base SR, right? And so opposite to the base, the vertices lies in a same line? No, right? So this one is not a same base and between the same parallel line. Is it clear? So next figure, so third one. So see here two figure, PQRS is a one figure and RTQ is another figure. So these two figures having the common base here, QR. The common base is a QR and opposite to the base line is a parallel, and these two figures vertices lies on the same line, right? So STQ. So this one is a right. So write down here the third one, base, which one? Base QR, parallels SP and RQ, right? So next figure, fourth one. So see here ABCD is a one figure, another one PQR, right? So ABC, they are lies between in a parallel line. Here is the vertices in a same line, but the base are different here. Is it clear? So bases are different, so it is not, right? So next figure, fifth one. See here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a one figure, right? And another one A, P, Q, D. So they have a common base here, AD, and lies between a same line opposite to the base, and lies B, P, C, Q is lies on the same line. So this one is the right. So third one. So next, fifth one, base here AD and parallels which one? AD and BQ. AD and BQ, right? So next figure, PQRS and ABCD, right? So here these two are the parallel lines here, vertex in the same line, but bases are different here. So this figure basis is a SR and ABCD basis is a DC. So base are a different. So this figure is a not a lies in a same base between the same parallels. So here only three figures. Which one? First and third and fifth. These three figures have a same base and between the same parallels. Is it clear? So this is all about exercise first.